Today we are here to talk about doodling and good doodle books. And I thought I would share a few doodle books that I have that kind of helped my drawing come along as I was starting. Because we all have to be beginners at some point, right? And these books are really awesome. The first one I have is Draw Your Day. This is not sponsored by any of these books. These just happen to be my favorite doodle books, if that makes sense. So the first one is Draw Your Day, and in here you just do exactly that. You draw your day. Getting started, you create a practice. You create a time to draw. That's what it talks about. It talks about tools, about color, and then you'll have you draw things like a cup and maybe a door or the sun, something like that. It'll have you draw your shoes. It'll have you draw a pot and on the stove, something every day, things that are in your life every day. It's a really good book, and it really helps bring those drawing skills out and helps refine them. Another great book for the same thing is this 50 Ways to Draw Your Beautiful Ordinary Life. Same principle, same thing. It's a great book, and I tell you, by the time you work your way through both of these, you're going to be a pro at drawing everyday things. And what do you put in art? Everyday things, right? The things you know, the things you experience. But you may put them with a twist. But this gives you the fundamentals, the basics, and it's a great way to start any drawing career. It was just a real quick little video to share some great books with you that I have used and I highly recommend. Like I said, it's not sponsored. It's just some that I've used and I've loved. Thanks for being here today, guys. Take care. Bye.